Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you just love the wintertime and everything that comes with it, the goodness of sitting by a fire, the shortbread and gingerbread cookies, the lovely smell in the air, you're gonna love this oil. Christmas Spirit has orange and cinnamon and black spruce blended together just perfectly. It is such a beautiful aroma. It smells very spicy, very warm, like a chai latte. It is so delicious smelling. I love to pop this in the diffuser in the wintertime especially, and it's so powerful you only need a few drops. So this is formulated with 100% pure essential oils. So if you love to be cozy by the fire, enjoying the warmth of winter, this should be the next oil you get. And that is my point of view.